Hey guys, how do those YouTube people start their videos off again? Oh yeah, they start saying something. They start their video by saying something totally off topic to their title, and they always start with something that's totally unrelated to the title of their video. So let's start by saying, hey, you guys seen Attack of the Killer Donuts? Yeah, it's one of those movies that's like so bad it's good. Okay, anyway, ladies and gentlemen, and whoever fits into neither category, I am doing a $10 iTunes gift card giveaway slash psychic slash luck challenge. More specifically, guess what's inside the envelope challenge inspired by Chris Angel. Guess what's in the envelope, and you will win a $10 iTunes gift card from me. I will give you a hint too. It's a picture, and the description of the picture can be said in 3 words. It has a noun, a verb, and a thing. If you are psychic or lucky enough to guess this by May 30th, 2019, I will give you a $10 iTunes gift card. First person only. One guess in the comments per day. Good luck, everyone.